the factory so the lenses can be custom made just for you. In 2023, a survey of optometrists showed that about 70% of contact lens prescriptions were for soft lenses, while around 20% were for hard lenses, and the remaining 10% were for specialty lenses like hybrids or scleral lenses. This variety is important for healthy eyes, especially for people who can't use regular soft contact lenses. It ensures a better fit and comfort. Hard lenses are often recommended for irregular corneas or very dry eyes. They allow more oxygen to reach the eye and provide better vision correction. The data from your prescription is loaded into a computer, which controls an automatic cutting machine known as a lathe. This computerized system makes sure that every measurement and detail from your prescription is precisely followed during the entire manufacturing process. A factory worker then takes a colored polyhema rod, which is the material used to make the lens, and securely attaches it to the lathe, preparing it for the shaping phase. The lathe, which is a highly specialized piece of machinery, spins the rod at an astonishing speed of over 6,000 revolutions per minute, creating the conditions needed for a smooth and accurate cut. While the rod spins, a diamond-tipped tool carves the inner surface of the lens, giving it the shape necessary for a snug fit on your eye. But the choice of a diamond-tipped tool isn't random. Diamonds are one of the hardest substances on Earth, which means they can cut through materials with high levels of precision. This allows the cutting process to be not only flawless, but also consistent, which is key for something as delicate and important as a contact lens. The result is a lens that is shaped exactly according to the specifications of your prescription. Isn't it amazing? This cutting process is very precise to make sure there are no mistakes in the lens. Even a tiny flaw can make the lens unusable, completely ruining your vision in the process. After the groove is cut, the machine makes another pass to smooth out any rough spots left behind. After this step, the rod holding the lens is cut off, and the piece with the lens moves on to the next stage. And the piece with the lens moves on to the next stage, where it will be shaped and polished further. Meanwhile, skilled technicians watch over the whole process to confirm that the shape, thickness, and surface quality meet precise standards. The cutting process is one of the most important steps because it determines how well the lens will fit your eye. Hard lenses have to be made with extreme accuracy because they don't mold to the shape of your eye like soft lenses do. If the lens doesn't fit perfectly, it can cause discomfort or even damage to the cornea. This is why hard lenses are often custom made for each individual, based on precise measurements taken by the eye doctor. The inner side of the lens is the part that will touch your eye, so it has to be extremely smooth to prevent irritation. To make sure the inner surface is perfect, the lens piece is glued onto another machine. This machine uses a special paste with tiny abrasives to polish the surface. The lens is spun around on a round polisher until it becomes 100% level. If the inside of the lens isn't perfectly smooth, it can make your eyes red and cause a burning sensation.